Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using fish frames or small whole fish so you capture deep umami quickly. Once the fish is cleaned, chop onion and garlic. Heat a medium pot and add stock-building aromatics with 1/2 cup vinegar and a teaspoon of salt. Bring to a gentle simmer and skim foam. This clears bitterness and yields a clearer base. Make sure to maintain low-medium heat for 25–30 minutes so collagen releases without breaking down. You now transform the stock into sauce by sautéing onions, tomato, and pepper in a tablespoon of oil until they soften and caramelize slightly. This adds sweetness and depth. Once done, add the 2 cups of reserved fish stock and bring to a steady simmer. Reduce by about 1/3 so the sauce thickens and concentrates flavor. Make sure to taste as it reduces. Add salt and a teaspoon of sugar to balance, then finish with a tablespoon of vinegar to brighten the profile. You finish by straining the sauce for a smooth texture, then return it to low heat for 5 minutes so flavors meld. Once done, taste and adjust. Add a squeeze of vinegar to lift, a pinch of salt to sharpen, or a tiny sugar to tame acidity. If it's too salty, add a peeled potato while simmering or dilute with water plus a bit of acid. If flat, a little more vinegar helps. Cool, store airtight in fridge up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.